Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch.
What are you doing?
I'm doing tricks! I'm doing tricks, man! Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah, empty! Mater, there was a fucking table, man! A pičku maternu, man! Oh my god! The guy fucking almost ran over me! Let's go, man! We can do it! You're fucking chicken, man. Opa! Ah! Ah! We're back in the game! We're back in the game! Gas! Nebe, jebat! Jeb! Oh! 50 points for what? Dinotti! Premakam se, pizda ti materna! Premakam se, kurva ena! Ma ja jebem u materu, pičko! Oh my god! Jebem ti materu, pizda! Mrš! Jebem ti mater! What the hell is this, man? Marš u pičku materu, I'm not driving these formulas. Marš u pizdu materu. Like this is normal, man! Like this is normal, man, you can't fucking drive like this, man, they're hitting me, man. Pa jebem u mater, what is this, pizda? Ajmo pičke, ajmo jerani. Opa! Drive the fucking road, man. What the fuck happened? Yes! 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 Woo! Fucking one again, man! Yes! You fucking constructor, motherfucker! Hadouken! Yes!
One day, there was a third. And that third wanted to play games. But he never knew that for games you need skill. So he started grinding. Next day, he figured out that he doesn't have brains. So he started cheating. Third day, they got him that he's cheating and he got banned. The fifth day, he took gun, decided that if he can't play, that the guy is gonna make other people to pay. To pay. To pay.
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch, okay?